Where to find the best sites. Barbecue grills and smokers. Hi. So you want to know more about: should you use briquettes with a gas grill? These are the best resources we could find on the web. The most helpful site to learn about should you use briquettes with a gas grill is paintballge.blogspot.com. See the page titled Paintball Gear, should you use briquettes with a gas grill? This is the link. Try also our second rank site bbq.about.com, especially the page How Have You Modified Your Gas Grill? About barbecue. This is the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see www.answerbag.com. The web page Should you use briquettes with gas grills? Answerbag. Here's the link.